Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday and happy coffee, guys. You can't really see it in the background, but it's pretty early. It's about 4:55 a.m. in the morning, and we've been up looking at gold and silver prices. That's one of the first things I do. It's become an obsession with me, um, and we'll check those out here in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We do these silver updates, gold updates, platinum, whatever. We do these every morning. Like we say every time, they don't get a lot of views, but it's for all of you out there. So the views don't matter to me. It's about the information that we're producing for you, and it's going to be good. I think. I mean, look, guys, this right here, silver and gold, boom, boom, silver and gold. Um, there's some predictions out there, predictions that silver could go to $50 an ounce by the end of the year. Woo, $50, guys. And if you watched my video with Ray Saturday, Ray seemed to think that gold could hit 4 grand an ounce this year if it continues its current path. And if it produces the same amount of numbers that it did last year, it's going to go $4,000, guys. Is that good for silver stackers and gold stackers out there? It could be if you've been holding for a long time and you bought silver when it was way, 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 way down there, and you're taking a huge gain and you have a huge amount in the bank, guys. So if you have a huge amount of silver, huge amount of gold, and these numbers come up the way they're talking about, man, I love this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Um, then it could be good for you if you need to cash out. As all your stackers will say, hey, hold your silver, hold your gold. And unfortunately for some of us, when you hold your silver and hold gold, we don't live long enough to see some of the numbers that happen. And it gets passed on to our children, but which is usually a good thing. Children, grandchildren, whatever, but we never really get to utilize it if you hold it and hold it and hold it. If you're a squeezer and you play the market, I play it just a little bit. I wait for it to go up quite a bit. I do some trading, gold for silver, silver for gold. Just depends on what the market's doing. I do that I enjoy doing it. I have fun doing it. It's actually a challenge for me. So now, don't get me wrong, I've lost a little bit of money on a couple of things, but my overall gains when I've done that have been pretty good. So happy coffee to everybody this morning. Silver right now is at 38.10 and gold is at 38.36.20. Guys, they are talking, um, they are serious about, I mean, when I've been reading up on that silver, and I'm pushing it pretty hard, guys. I'm really pushing it. We're still not at 40, but they're talking about $50 an ounce on silver by the end of the year. And it could drop too. So it has shown us that. But there is a huge demand for silver right now, a huge demand for silver. Um, a lot of things are unstable. The Mexican silver mines have been dealing with strikes, wage demands, and all that stuff, and that kind of slowed down production quite a bit, causing silver to go up too. The biggest thing is supply and demand. Uh, uh, Recession pressures. We see that on here, and so what happens if we have an oversupply? Well, we get that oversupply, and guess what happens? Supply goes up. If demand stays good, we're good. But if it stabilizes, if demand drops because everybody bought, then the price will come down and everybody can go out and buy more silver. But use that dollar cost average, guys. Spend the same amount of money that you always spend when you're buying silver or gold, guys, because that's really the way to do it. You usually come out ahead by dollar cost averaging. If you spend $20 a month on silver, or let's say 1 ounce of silver, let's say you spend $40 a month, silver goes up to $50. You still only spend 40. You don't get a full ounce. You might get a half ounce. You might get a half ounce and a quarter ounce. Or if it drops down to 30 and you can buy a full ounce of silver and maybe a quarter ounce of silver. So really you end up, if you dollar cost average, you come out ahead. Now, let's talk about gold. Now, if you look at gold's values last year performed very, very, very well. And at first I'm like, I don't know if it's going to hit $4,000 an ounce. I think it's going to really stabilize really hard, and we're not gonna hit 4,000 this year. But after looking at the numbers last year, if it continues on, like right now, we're at 38, 36, 10. It's pretty stable right there. It's hit 34, last week, I think. So it could do its run too. And if it blows up, I think silver's going to blow up. I think silver's going to blow up anyway. I think it's in the bull market. I think it's tired of being a little guy. It wants to be a bigger guy. Like a lot of us, we're at 87 to 1, roughly 87.59. And I think it could do 4,000, but I'm more susceptible to say that silver would hit 50 an ounce. A lot of you don't want it to hit 50 an ounce. But I think that's good for silver if you're holding it, and especially if you've been holding it for a long time, guys. So make sure you keep stacking it, man. What a great investment. This is one of my favorites. This is one of Mrs. SC's favorites, guys. You got the silver and you've got the gold, guys, right there. Isn't that beautiful? Did you see my pickups? I did a little short on our pickups from Ray at Precious Coins in Metals in Midwest City. Pretty good pickups. We got some buffaloes. I got a proof set, mint proof set. Beautiful, beautiful set. We got some buffaloes. We've got a beautiful Morgan dollar. So I'm pretty happy about that. So copper is down just a little bit. Copper's at $5.78 a pound. Be nice if that was in ounces, but it is not. I was talking to one of my viewers. Actually, we were having a conversation. He was talking about the U.S. government taxing stackers, precious metal stackers. And that's a possibility, guys. I think it'll get really ugly if they do that. It's just another way for our government to try to control our lives. And that has to stop. They keep driving down our money, driving down our dollar, driving down the ability for us to have a better life, guys. And it's just not right. But you as the people, all over the world, everybody, all over the world, have the power, especially in freedom, to get rid of the people that wish to destroy your country and destroy your money and everything else, guys. So one of the best things, real estate, gold, and silver, those three things. Mrs. Silverstack Cracker is into real estate and silver, and gold. And we're working hard to get that up there. So we'll go one more time. And man, thank God for silver and gold. Let's see what silver does this week. Make sure you comment. What do you guys think? Are we going to get back up to 39 and hold 39 by Friday? That's a long way away, guys. The market's still early right now at 5 a.m. in the morning, Oklahoma Central Time. And so once everybody wakes up in the United States and starts trading, it may go way up. But it's still holding strong. It's not dropping. It's steady right now. 33.35 on gold. 1402 on platinum. Platinum's still staying steady, guys. Steady investment. 1241 on palladium, and rhodium we don't care about. It's at 6150. Guys, copper's the one I think is going to shock everybody at some point. So, hey, keep stacking. Stack what you like. Stack what you enjoy. Stack the big, beautiful copper bars. And then stack your silver. Get your silver going. Makes you feel like a pirate. It's a great feeling, guys. It's a great feeling. Happy coffee. Happy Monday. And some of you might get upset with me saying happy Monday. Make sure you hit the like, the subscribe button, guys. We're at 3,031 subscribers this morning. Hey, let's go for 5,000. If we can do 5,000, I might do something else, man. I mean, our big silver giveaway for 5,000, it went bye-bye. We didn't even come close to hitting that one. But heads up, Lee, I think it's Chevrolet. Anyway, he calls himself Chevrolet or Chevy. He decided he wanted to donate that 1 ounce eagle to somebody. So I'm trying to get a hold of him. And we're going to let him pick somebody. If he doesn't want to pick somebody, I'm going to pick somebody. We ran the program. The program picked him. I'm going to go in there and we're just going to have some fun. And I'm just going to boop, 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 do this little thing here, go through some videos and have a little fun. And anyway, so thank you, Lee, for doing that. Shout out to you, buddy. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. Happy Coffee Monday morning. Got to go to work, slave the day away once again to earn a living so that we may be able to afford to bring these videos to you, everybody. We love you. SSC here, Oklahoma. I'm out.